Welcome to the channel Passion Food and Health. Today we are discussing the vegan diet, the vegan week plan. Here's a sample weekly meal plan for a strong vegan diet, vegetarian diet, focus on high protein foods. What we can use in 1 week for vegan diet contain high protein foods. Start with day 1, breakfast, tofu scramble with spinach, tomatoes and onions, served with whole grain toast. Lunch, quinoa salad with black beans and diced bell peppers, avocados and a lime cilantro dressing. Dinner, lentil and vegetable stew served with steamed broccoli. This is day 1. In day 2, breakfast, use vegan protein smoothie made with almond milk, banana, frozen berries. Lunch, chickpeas, salad, sandwiches with mustard chickpeas, mashed chickpeas, vegan mayo, lettuce. In dinner, baked tofu served with brown rice and stir-fried vegetable. This is day 2. In day 3, breakfast, overnight oats made with rolled oats, chia seeds, almond milk, and topped with sliced almonds and fresh fruits. Lunch, vegan chili made with kidney beans, diced tomatoes, corn, and bell peppers. In dinner, spaghetti, squash with sauce and vegan meatballs, vegetarian vegan meatballs are used. We are discussing day 3. Next is day 4. In day 4, breakfast, we use vegan protein pancakes made with chickpea flour, topped with sliced bananas and maple syrup. In lunch, use stir-fry mixed vegetables and soya ginger sauce served with brown rice. And dinner, vegan black bean burger served on whole grain bun with lettuce, tomatoes, avocados. This is discussion of day 4. Today we are discussing the 1 week vegetarian meal plan with high protein content. Now move on the day 5. In day 5, in breakfast, use smoothie bowl topped with granola slice, strawberries, and almond butter. Lunch, quinoa and black bean stuffed bell peppers, served with side of mixed grain. In dinner, vegan lentil, shepherd's pie topped with mashed sweet potatoes. This is day 5 plan. Next is day 6. In day 6, breakfast, tofu and vegetable breakfast with salsa and avocado. In lunch, vegan salad with chickpeas, cherry tomatoes. In dinner, vegan spaghetti is used. In dinner, day 6, vegan spaghetti is used. Lentil, sauces, and wheat pasta is used in day 6 to dinner. Last is day 7. In day 7, breakfast, chia seeds pudding made with almond milk, topped with sliced mango and shredded coconut is used. In lunch, vegan sushi roll filled with avocado, cucumbers and tofu, served with soy sauce and picked ginger. In dinner, barbecue jackfruit with shredded cabbage, diced onions, and corn tortillas are used. This is 7-day vegetarian meal plan. Thank you very much. Watch my channel Passion Food and Health.